Today, we will learn more about Audience Builder and how to cut lists from your contacts on Switchboard. Right now, we're looking at your Switchboard dashboard. Although you can use Audience Builder from within a broadcast, we will create an audience straight from our dashboard. Let's click on Phone Audiences. You'll see two tabs here, Saved Searches and Lists. Saved searches are dynamic, meaning this will automatically add folks in, and you will see the updated number when you refresh. So if I have a saved search of everyone from a particular zip code, every time a new contact is uploaded with that zip code, they will be added to the search when it's refreshed. The other tab is Static Lists, meaning they do not change, and no one gets added as you add more contacts to Switchboard. You can upload a CSV from here if you want to do that without Audience Builder, but we will click New Audiences, which offers another option. We click New Audiences and then New Search or List. Inside the Audience Builder, you can choose between Phone Audience or Email Audience. At the top, I have the option to add new phones or emails. Note that you do not need to add phone lists whenever you create a new audience, because it automatically pulls in all of the phone numbers you already have within your Switchboard account. If I click Add Phones, I can upload a CSV or import more contacts from NGP Van to add new phone numbers. I can also split an existing list. The Audience Builder has two sections, the Include section and the Suppress section. The Include section includes everyone you want to text, and the Suppress section includes everyone you do not want to text. Within both the Include and Suppress sections, you have the option to use the Any and All filters. You should use the All filter to create a list or saved search of emails or phones that match every filter. You should use Any to make a list or saved search of emails or phones that match only one of the filters. So if I pull anyone who has clicked on a broadcast and everyone who is located within Alabama, the All filter will only pull people from Alabama who have clicked on any text broadcast. Whereas the Any filter will include anyone who has clicked on a text broadcast even if they are not from Alabama, and everyone from Alabama even if they have not clicked on a text broadcast. Next, we're going to take a look at the different filters we have in Audience Builder. Our first filter is the List filter, where you can choose contacts on a specific list you have uploaded, or results from a particular broadcast you have sent. Next is Engagement, which lets you filter based on how the people you contact have interacted with your texts or your emails. You can find people who have clicked the link you sent or donated from it if you have your ActBlue integrated. There are a few more options here, like if they opened the text, replied to it, etc. The next filter, the Donation filter, is all about ActBlue, so you must be integrated to pull lists based on this. If you hit the plus sign, you will see that you can pull quite a few things from ActBlue. If you want to draw a list based on how much people have donated, click Total Amount and put an amount in there. If you want to find recurring or mobile donors, you can choose those options from the drop-down as well. Location filter is exactly what it sounds like, building a list based on where someone is located. You can filter by state, zip code, time zone, or area code. One note about time zone or area code is that we identify that location based on the phone number's area code, not where the person currently lives. So if someone has an Alabama area code and is now living in Colorado, they will still be grouped with Alabama because that's what the phone's area code is. When you upload the same phone number across many lists over time, the field names for that phone number will most likely vary, making it hard to personalize your texts with custom fields. With reusable fields, you can use one custom field like SB first name that automatically updates with the most recent data. So if, for example, I upload a CSV without a first name column, as long as I have set my reusable fields in the past for this number, I will still be able to pull in a first name using the SB first name reusable field. The reusable fields filter lets you filter using specific custom field values, which is an advanced way to target contacts that you have set reusable fields for. The labels filter allows you to divide lists by labels you have created and applied to your contacts, including labels applied when folks filled out one of your Switchboard forms. The carrier filter for phone audiences and the domain filter for email audiences, which you can't see right now, let you cut lists based on your contacts' phone carriers or their email domains. The new to universe filter allows you to cut lists based on when they were added to your Switchboard account. As you can see here, you can pick by time frame. These will be contacts that are specifically new to your universe within this time frame. Our last filter is opt-outs and unsubs. Here you can filter people who have opted out from your texting program or unsubscribed from your email program. Now that we've explored all the filters, once you have the filters you want for your list, you can hit refresh. This will show you how many phones match your criteria. Once you're ready, you can save your audience as, and choose if you'd like to save it as a saved search, something that refreshes and is dynamic, or as a static list. Now you have audiences you can use any time in the future, saving you time.